Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics, Mr. Besh. This is the second example that I'm going to do along the same topic, and that is being able to solve for x in a situation like this without using any algebra at all. Like I explained in one of my previous videos, a lot of times at the middle school level, some students are ready for algebra, take that next step, and some are not. We can't have that limit them and their ability to do these problems. All of these problems can be done with just a little simple basic math, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so now using the basic math, here are my techniques. When I read this question, it says that the perimeter of the following geometric shape, which is a triangle, comes out to be 32. So 32 is my starting point, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now if you notice here, instead of telling us what the sides are, okay, because normally when you find the perimeter of a shape, you add up the numerical value of all the sides, they give us algebraic expressions. Okay, so when I do it this way, the method I'm going to show you, here is what you do each and every time. The first thing that you're going to notice is you're going to notice numbers in front of x. The second thing that you're going to notice is that there are numbers that don't have or have anything associated with x. They're like at the end. They're always at the end, like in the caboose, right? So we got a +6 and a -4. You always start with the numbers that are not with x. And here is what you do. You go around the shape. You start with the perimeter of what they give you in the math problem, and then you do the opposite. So now right here, you see +6. The opposite of +6 is -6. So 32 take away 6 gives you 26. Next step, come on over here. You see -4, so the opposite of -4 is +4. So that is my very next step. And now I'm at 30 for a total. If you notice down here at the bottom, there is nothing there to add or subtract. So now I go to my last step. And my last step, this is pretty darn simple. I have to divide by one number, right? And whatever number I divide by, whatever I get as an answer, you guessed it, that's the value of x in the problem. So now what I got to do is come around here and add up. Ready for this? Add up all the numbers in front of x, because that's the number that I have to divide by. So then 2 plus 5 makes 7, and 7 plus 3 makes 10. So now all I'm looking at is 30 divided by 10, and 30 divided by 10 is 3. So now what this tells me, the x value equals 3 in this example. And that is that. No algebra involved. Nothing but fundamental basic math. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. I hope you found this both helpful and informative.